All right, my customer did not like this tree. It was an eyesore and halfway dead. I methodically thought how dead it was and started picking on the side it was leaning towards and worked my way all the way around. Also, for my machine guys, I had my machine at idle. Therefore, I'm not ramming my hydraulics every time I put that picker into the dirt. And you'll see this come down very shortly.
Cold winds bite through the bone, hard frost. Steel toes crack, screaming, pay the cost. Shovel in hand, dirt, broken sweat. Promises of summer ain't paid back yet. Winter work and summer rewards, they say. But the nights are long and days bleed gray. Breaking my back for a sun that won't shine. Waiting for a season that ain't ever mine.